Hey guys, Addy555 here. I've got a 3D printer at home and I 3D printed this awesome YouTube little magnet thing, and I glued some magnets on the back. Looks horrible on that side, I know, but anyway, so I'm thinking about sticking some felt in this bit in the middle there to give it a little bit of grip, because it does slide about pretty easily. But I figured I might as well give it a try on the motorcycle to see how YouTube goes on the bike. So I'm just doing an experiment here at the strip, because if it falls off the bike then it's okay, because I could just pick it up. Right, so there's a slow test speed of about 30 kilometers an hour. Yep, still on there. Okay, let's amp this up a bit. Perfect! Let's include some speed. Oh no, there's a brick wall! The thing is here, if you keep going, you're gonna hit that. Ooh, it's still on there. I'm actually a little bit impressed. I don't really want to cannon down this end at 100 kilometers an hour into these learners, so I'm just using this as a start point. And then we'll just go from here. Okay. Well, to hit 100 kilometers an hour on my nice, comfortable commuter motorcycle. It's not a sports bike, but it's quick enough. I did get a bit of an angle shift on my YouTube logo there, so it does need some sort of grip, because it will just slide around, and I don't want that to happen because it will just end up flicking off. But there we go, the YouTube logo on the motorcycle. What do you guys think? Do you reckon that looks cool? I'm also thinking maybe I'll just 3D print something here. Maybe put Audi555 on there or something like that. I used to have a Batman magnet there, but it got a bit old and fell off. Well, that's it anyway. Let's do a burnout for the thumbnail, and hopefully the police don't come and arrest me. Record. Alright, burnout for the thumbnail. Gotta be quick. Oh shit, that guy just dropped his bike. How embarrassing. Hey, I'll give you a hand. I see people like lift it up like this, so we'll give you that a crack.
Thank you.
There you go.
Try and practice this.
No worries.
Thanks for your help.
That's alright. Didn't do any damage, did it?
I don't think so. It was pretty soft.
Yeah. Yeah, it's alright. No worries. Alright, back to the burnout. Where's my camera? Hopefully some stranger just didn't walk past and go, oh sweet, I've got myself a new phone. Hey, what's that? Oh, that's a bit. Jeez, where is it? Ah, there we go. It's the trouble when you're doing a video by yourself. You can't really see what's going on. Oh, it's a block of wood. That's nice. Okay, I'm in the frame. Need to go forward a bit more, but roughly good. And am I still recording? Ooh, good thing I checked that. The phone just fell down. I would have started. Would have had nothing. Okay, I'm covered in ants. Okay, let me just record. Get off me ants. Stop biting me. Okay, get in focus. Okay, alright. Okay. Burn out. Things you do for YouTube. Alright, that's about $10 worth of tyre there. Oh, look at that. Menace. Menace to society. Absolute menace. A mechanic would be so upset with me. Absolute menace. Tire's fine. Such a rebel, eh? Alright guys, as usual, keep safe out there on the roads, stay on two wheels and not your head, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Oh, I've got my YouTube logo, that's still on there, it's a bit funny. But anyway, I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Laters!